Hi everyone, I will be sharing with you a do-it-yourself guide for a very cheap ventilator. You need for that one paper bag, 3 small plastic bottles, 1 big plastic bottle, 1 garbage bag and a knife, glue, metal spike and a piece of tape. So first cut your plastic paper bag as you can see. So remove the bottom part so that you have big paper sheets as you can see. Then you have to cut it diagonally as you can see. I made in freehand line, a crossing line going through the diagonal to make it easy. Try to choose a thicker cardboard, thicker material for increasing the efficiency of the pump. As you may see, now you have 4 triangles. Then you need to tape them together by using, as you can see, a basic tape. And then finally you will have a pyramid-like shape. So this will be our actually air pump. Okay, then here you see the big plastic garbage bag, trash bag, yeah. We will be using it later on. Take one of the small plastic bottles and cut the bottom of it for one of them. Then take another one, take the cap out, and now we will open some holes on this bottle cap. Heat the metal spike with a lighter, then open some small holes. Please don't open those holes close to the corners, so they should be relatively away from the edges of the bottle cap. So the surface must be smooth, especially at the inner part. So if you have some burrs, try to clean them with a tool like a screwdriver. Outside is not that critical, but inside it must be as smooth as possible. I'm checking with my hands, so that's one of the key points. Then take a piece of plastic thin material like that. It can be a plastic bag again, and cut a round plastic let me say sheet which fits exactly into the plastic bottle. We will be gluing this plastic thin layer inside of the bottle cap. So take the glue and put a little bit of exactly into the middle of the bottle cap. So then place the thin plastic layer sheet exactly into the middle. So press gently so that the glue will be distributed evenly in the bottle cap, like that. So avoid blocking the holes that we opened recently. So it's very important that you don't block the holes. The holes must be open. So I'm checking if they are blocked. So they are open. Then Put the bottle cap back into the bottle again. And now we will be attaching this bottle to the opening of the garbage bag. Place it like that at the middle. Then wrap the garbage bag around the bottle. So this bottle is actually, as we prepared before, the bottom side open bottle. So with using tape, firmly roll it. This area must be tight. Pay attention to that. Then take our paper pyramid again. Cut the tip of the pyramid and put the garbage bag with the bottle at the opening into our paper pyramid. So distribute it evenly in the pyramid, and then you have to glue inside of the pyramid. So use as much as glue as much as possible, because this plastic garbage bag should stick strongly to the inside of our paper pyramid, because we will be opening and closing this paper pyramid, and it should always stay intact. Okay, when it is enough glued, then firmly press on the pyramid, and then you should have, after a dry out period, you should have something like that. So the pump is basically now working, but the pump needs a one-way valve again, as we did before. Another one-way valve for sucking the air into it. So prepare another bottle as we did before, and just assemble it, tape it again to the end of the pyramid now, to the end of the garbage bag now. Take another bottle, cut the bottom again, cut out the bottom of the bottle, then heat it with a lighter a little bit, so the inner diameter gets a little bit smaller, and then insert it to the previously prepared let's say garbage bag, which has another bottle at the opening. Then using our lighter again, heat it at the connection area so that they both ensure a tightness at the connection area. This part is only for testing the pump, so you don't need to do it, so it won't be there at the end of our do-it-yourself guide. So you can just check it, put a basic plastic bag to the opening of the bottle, and after you pump, unfortunately in the video you will not see due to my recording angle. So if you pump the pyramid, you will see that the white bag that we just taped will swell. So it's swelling. Good. We are almost done. Actually, our pump is our ventilator, basic ventilator, is pumping air on one side, but not letting it go to other side. And now we will prepare a kind of a face mask for our ventilator. So I'm directly now connecting the ventilator to the face part, but instead of that you can put in between a garden hose from the opening of the bottle to this face part. But this is just an idea video. You can do it by yourself. So the idea is installing additionally a garden hose between the pump and this face part. So without that, you basically open a hole on the big plastic bottle, and insert the small bottle to this area. And also as you can see, I opened a mouth and nose covering, let's say, hole on the big plastic bottle, so that you can place your face through this big opening into the big bottle. So the pump will be connected from the back side of the opposite side of the bottle, and it will be bringing air into this face mask, and then the person can reach, intensified air in the bottle. As I said, this pumping process must be made manually, completely manually, so it is not somehow kind of a motor driven pump. So important is that take this as an idea and develop it further, so it's free for your use. It is just developed in one day. Idea is basically, I got the idea, I watched some videos on the internet, so designed my own piece. But when it comes to health, and nowadays, especially at Corona days, I share it just free of any copyright and anything. So feel free to use it. Just a basic thanks to me would be enough for me. Okay, so I connected the pump to the breathing mask or face mask. That's it actually. As I said, thanks for watching. I hope it helps someone who is in need for it. Thanks.